Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will be sharing how to run my strategy and how to connect to the broker and how to create an account in Tradetron and how to connect your broker every day morning to run the strategy. So let's start. So first step is how to create an account. So I have shared this link in the description, so click on this and I will be having some referral benefit, so it will be helpful for me. And once you navigate to this particular link, let me copy this and open in incognito mode. So you just need to enter this. So you will come to this page and you just need to do the sign up. So sign up is very simple. You just need to give your name, email ID and phone number, and then you need to give the country. Okay, so once that is done, one second, yeah. So once that is done, we can give the state and password, and then you just need to click on this option and you will just click on the sign in. So once you did this, you will fill this form. Make sure you fill the state. All these things are mandatory. You need to fill all these details, otherwise your broker will not connect. Okay, so the phone number is mandatory. Okay, so once you are done with this, then what is the second step? So first step is we need to create an account in Tradetron. Second step is we need to take a subscription plan which is around 350 rupees. So let me show you the plans. Okay, so for example, if you once you log into this, you are able to see this information. So if you go to the subscription page, and I already have subscribed, but you can see, click on this and you will see the pricing. So initially, as you are deploying only one strategy, so you just need a starter plan would be enough. So including GST, you will need to pay monthly around 350 rupees. So here you see you are able to you are able to deploy one strategy. So we have a free plan also, so you can just sign up and you can run my strategy on paper trade and see the performance. And once you are getting confident, you can play with one this minimum starting plan. And then other plans are there, but those are like if you have more than one algo want to run, then you can go for 1200 rupees plan. And if you have some strategies which you want to share and you want to deploy in market, you can do. So these are the plans you can see, and you can reach out to the customer support to understand the difference between. But these are the major differences, like the number of strategies what we are executing. Okay, so once you buy this plan, so how to buy this plan also is very simple. So just choose this plan and you will see the pop-up, and you just need to fill this. If fill this things, automatically it is coming, so it's monthly. You just need to click on subscribe, purchase, and you will see the renewal and all those details will be here, and you need to do the payment. So that's it. So here once you buy this plan, starter plan, then you can deploy one strategy. Okay, so this is the second step. So this is the link I have shared in the description also, you can go through it. And the third thing is how to subscribe my strategy. So if you go to this link, copy, and paste, you see, you are able to see this subscription button, right? So you will be charging 500 rupees monthly if suppose you are trading with one like one lot, and if you are using two lots, you will be charging 1000 rupees. And if you are using like 3 lots, it's a multiple of how many lots you are using. So it will be a monthly subscription charges. And once you click on this subscribe, so as I'm not login, so once I log in with some account, let me log in. So sign in, right? So now if I again try to paste that, and subscribe. Okay, so as you see, it's initially saying 500 rupees for 2 lots. So and it will be like GST and all those things. You just need to purchase it. Okay, and once you purchase that, you will be like charging monthly for this subscription. And this is how you can subscribe. Okay, and then you need to the next thing is let's see, yeah, next thing is adding a broker. Okay, so how to add the broker? So it's Tradetron support multiple brokers. Okay, you can add any broker whichever you want. Also in this video I will be sharing like Shunya. So let me choose the broker. So there is a good documentation for each broker how to connect. Okay, so suppose if you want to add, you just click on add and then select the broker from here, like Phoenicia, yeah, Phoenicia, right? Broker is already configured, so it is not showing. Okay, so suppose if I select Zerodha, okay, so it's automatically coming. And there is a good documentation for there is a good documentation for this. Okay, so there is some failure in the documentation part, but we can reach out to the tech person. So you can reach out to the support, and you just need to give the key and secret key and token. So yeah, okay, sorry, this is the documentation. Yeah, you see, so this is the documentation step by step. They have given how to connect to the how to get the information, and you can follow this document and you will be able to set up it. And if you are facing any challenges, you can reach out to the support, so they can guide you how to connect the broker. Okay, so support, it is very simple. You can click here and just chat with them, and they can give you a meeting ID to configure if you are not able to configure, if you are facing any broker connection issues or anything. So you can reach out to me also. If any issues are there, I try to resolve from my side as well. Okay, so the next thing is once you add the broker, right? So in this I have added Shunya. So I will be sharing like how I have how to add Shunya. So let me click on this, so which is already added. So you see here, so here the for Shunya, this is the documentation. So what we need to do step by step, it is mentioned. So you see, these are the steps which you need to follow. So once you navigate to the Shunya, you just need to click on a profile and click on the security, like I will be showing you this. So this is the profile. You just click here and you will see the security, and open this TOPT. Okay, and you copy this. Okay, and then you will be seeing some fields like this. You see, here you need to mention the username, password, and here you need to put that OTP and FTA. Here you can write anything like 1 2 3 4 5. That would be enough. Okay, so once you're done with adding the broker, then what you need to do is you just need to connect with the broker every day. So let me open file broker exchange strategy. Okay, so so once you subscribe to my strategy, you will see these options: deploy, backtest, and edit. Maybe you will not see edit, you just click on deploy. So once you deploy, click on deploy, you will be seeing the strategy here. Okay, right. So as you see, my strategy is live, and this is the time what 9:30 today. So I think already it's bought idea share one quantity at 7 rupees. So you can see the same thing in my orders also. Positions. So you see this is the order. So you can ignore everything because these are my like positional things. So only concentrate on this. So you see there it's already took one trade. So this is for testing purpose, like the orders are placing correctly or not, and the conditions of the strategy is still waiting. Okay, once the condition is satisfied, our strategy will execute on Nifty. Okay, so as of now, if we talk about the strategy's performance, so I have completed 1 month on from Jan. I have been working on this, and till now it is giving very good result. So till today, I have started this strategy from 21 to 21, and Thursday we are not going to execute this strategy. Okay, so you see the total returns we are getting is around 11%. I am having a capital of 1 lakh for this. Okay, and I have traded with one lot only. So now I have made it as two lots, because in one lot the problem is we are getting lot of brokerage. So in two lots it will be less. Okay, so not that much brokerage is there because it's shunya is zero brokerage, but there will be some charges which is per transaction, right? So if we increase the lot size, it will be better. We will be getting good results in the, and we can see less brokerage. Okay, so 11,000, around 10% is the return in 1 month we got. So these are the results. So you see we have hit two times SL, like one is yesterday, okay, not yesterday, on Wednesday, and then again this is the SL1 we got. So in this strategy we will not lose more than 3,000 per day, and the average profit you see 2,000, 1,000, 3,000. It may be because we have a trailing SL. Once we get 2,000 profit, the trailing will be started from 1,500, and every 500 rupees it will be increased. Okay, so overall profit we got till is 11%. Okay, on 1 lakh capital, and I will be running this strategy, and I will be sharing this every month, like how the performance was. So mostly I will be creating one video every month, and make sure I will be, if any changes are required or if any updates are required, I will do that, and you can just follow it. Okay, so this is I think I covered all the things. Yeah, and daily connect. So what you need to do is every day morning from 8 o'clock to 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock you can connect to your broker. Okay, so how to connect that? So you see the live, it is executed, so we condition is satisfied and we entered into the market. Okay, so let's see in our broker it is done or not. It's let me see the orders. You can see the orders from here. At 100 rupees it's executed, and let me see, 1 second. Yeah, so let's see the order in Shunya. You see this is the order placed at 100. Okay, so you can see this is executed with one lot. Okay, so let's see how it performs. I don't care what it is, because profit or loss are fixed, and we have trailing SL. We have like in this strategy we have three conditions to exit this algo. First is either your SL will be 3,000 will be hit, or your strategy will be like exit when trailing is hit. Okay, or if your SL will be exited with 50, if suppose your entry is some 100 rupees or something, once it's become half it will be exit. Okay, so I think if you have any questions, feel free to reach out to me. Thanks for watching this video. Have a nice day. Bye.